Hi everybody. I hope you guys are all having a nice Sunday. It's currently raining here in New York, so it's a nice day to relax and stay in. But today I wanted to talk about something that I've seen that it's a reoccurring issue in. Oh, well, wait. No one's in yet. Let me know when somebody's in, and then. All right, so I'm going to talk about something that a lot of the landscaping clients that I have an issue with, and that is sales tax. So no one wants to talk about sales tax because I think it's because we don't completely understand what it is and when to charge and how to charge and how to go about that. So it's important to know what it is. So what is sales tax? It's a tax imposed by your state and on services that you provide. But some states might not impose sales tax on landscaping services. Some might. So it's important to know what are your state's guidelines and rules on that. So for example, what is sales tax? So for example, when you go to Macy's or you go to Home Depot and you make a purchase and you get your receipt, and towards the bottom of the receipt, it's going to say sales tax with a percentage, and Home Depot is collecting that from you, and then Home Depot is filing it with the state. So Home Depot is just an intermediary for the sales tax collection, and it's a liability on the on Home Depot's books, and then Home Depot's gonna send it to the state. So, like I said, different states have different implications. Your state might not even object to you to collect sales tax, but I'm going to go over some trends that I see in major states in regard to sales tax. So, capital improvements. If you're completing a job and it's part of a capital improvement, that is not sales taxable. And so what is the criteria for that? So it adds substantial value to the real property that you're working on. It becomes part of the real property, and it's a permanent installation. So an example is a homeowner hires a contractor to build an addition to her home, and before the construction can begin, a tree adjacent to the current structure must be removed. So now that job becomes part of the capital improvement going on. So you do not need to charge sales tax on that or collect sales tax on that. So capital improvements typically are not sales taxable. Now, repair, maintenance, and installation services like mowing lawns, painting or repairing an existing fence, snow removal, reseeding, trimming hedges, trees, these are sales taxable in most states. So what I see happen a lot is that some of my clients will charge sales tax when it's not applicable. So they could have saved their clients some money by not collecting the sales tax, and they did. And the total opposite of that is not collecting sales tax on things that are sales taxable. So, and this becomes a major issue because along the years, this catches up to you. The state comes after you and they want to collect all those sales tax payments you should have made. And on top of that, they will charge fees and penalties. So it's important to know exactly what the rules and guidelines for your state is. So you can visit your state's Department of Taxation and Finance Department and see exactly what's sales taxable and what isn't, if landscaping services are even sales taxable in your state. And if you don't see the service on there listed, just assume that it is sales taxable. Because when I talk to most states, they say, okay, well, I said, this particular service is not listed anywhere. So how should I go about it? Oh, you know what? Assume it is sales taxable. So just save yourself and assume that it is and just collect sales tax. Unless you're in one of those states that landscaping services are just completely not sales taxable, then don't collect sales tax. But yeah, so if you guys need any help in determining this or need any help implementing sales tax in your workflow for invoicing clients, just feel free to reach out to me. You can private message me, email me at carlap@cyclecpa.com, or you can contact me at 838-384-0463. I look forward to talking with you guys soon, and I hope you guys got some good information from this. Have a nice day.